Topic number 9. These are the 10 things that I know will make you happier. How do I know? Because I'm doing it or I've done it. I'm on the journey with you. And I'm no expert, but I am a happier person than I once was. And these things all play a part. So number 9 is exercise, drink water, sweat, like just all the things. And this is a challenging one for me because working out, exercise, like I like going on walks. I like interactive group type things, but it's for some reason been a challenge for me to really stick to something routined for a long period of time. I'll go through spurts or phases where I love it. And then maybe get burnt out or I lose interest, whatever it might be, but I know it's a really crucial part and I always feel better after I do it. So figuring out what is your thing that gets your body moving. Like endorphins are released when you sweat. So what are you doing to make yourself sweat? It doesn't need to be a crazy CrossFit workout. If it is, awesome. But honestly, even like a brisk walk or going uphill where you're like getting a little bit of sweat going on and movement, like what can you be doing every day to get moving and get your heart rate pumping? Drinking water too. This is huge. My husband's huge on this. He'll always talk about giving yourself an inner bath, right? When you wake up, drinking 20 to 30 ounces of water to give your organs and your body an inner bath, right? You just dehydrated all night while you were sleeping. That will give you a nice boost and get your metabolism going. These are very basic things. And honestly, they're human like needs. We need to be drinking water. We need to be moving. So carving out time, and it doesn't need to be a ton of time, but even if it's 30 minutes a day to do more of that. And this is something I'm really, really working on. I know that it's good for me, but I often fight it or I'll come up with excuses or I'll get distracted by something else that comes up and I'll put it on the back burner. So holding myself accountable to sticking to a routine and finding the things that bring me joy in terms of fitness and doing them regularly. I have a Peloton. I love listening to like upbeat, fun music, and it just gets my adrenaline going. It gets me feeling happy. I love feeling like I'm at a club when I'm on the bike and I like the choreograph and the back and forth. And I know I always feel good when I'm doing it and after. It's just about getting myself to do it. Does anyone else struggle with that? Or is that just me? Am I the only one that feels like it's kind of a chore sometimes? My husband and I were talking about this the other day and he's like, Sandy, I'm not calling you selfish for not working out, but mentally I'm just trying to help you think about this a different way. What if you adopted the belief that it's selfish of me not to work out because I don't care about my longevity and I don't care about setting a good example and teaching my daughter that, you know, these are important things. So overall, I know this is what I'm working on, but I know it contributes to happiness. I know it makes me a happier human overall. So exercising, sweating, drinking more water, prioritizing self-love, self-care, carving out that time every single day. If you enjoyed this, please comment below. What do you do to work out, to sweat? How much water do you drink per day? Do you track it? Like, tell me all the things below. I want to know in the comments. Please like, comment, share, all the things. The YouTube and Instagram algorithm will make this go viral and help more people see this and be happier with every share that you do. So thank you for being part of this incredible journey with me. We have 1 day left, and then in a couple weeks, we're going to be doing our live free Zoom workshop webinar all about happiness, deep diving on the 10 things, and it will be interactive. Questions, answers, all the things. See you tomorrow.